Do you feel shy? Not brave? Afraid of, well, everything? Do you wish you were more confident? Well then, this is the video for you. Hello beautiful people, I'm Amber, your confidence fairy godmother. And welcome to How to Be Confident. Today I'm going to teach you to be confident in 10 simple, easy steps that anyone can follow.
So today, sponsored by the Chic Hydra Silk Trim Style,
I'm gonna officially bippity-boppity-boo you right into confidence. So grab your fairy dust, kids. Time to be a queen or king, whatever. Boop, 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 boop. Tip numero uno, self-care.
everyone knows the golden rule. Be cute, feel cute. True beauty starts from within, but making the outside match your glittery inside is a surefire way to give you that extra pep in your step. So give yourself a facial. Get your hair did, nails did, everything did. Wing your eyeliner to the gods. We all know you're already beautiful on the inside, but giving yourself the extra superhero cape of a fabulous highlight will make you feel like queen of the world. P.S. Don't forget the extra self-care too. So take a shower, fluff your hair, shave your legs. Even something simple as smooth skin can get you in the mood to take over the world. Kindly and in good shoes, of course. I shave using the Chic Hydra Silk 5 Trim Style. It's a hydrating razor and waterproof bikini trimmer all in one. Hella convenient. It has 5 curve sensing blades with unique skin guards to smooth skin throughout every stroke and reduces irritation for the ultimate closeness. Ooh la la. It's super handy, especially right now when I still want to take Insta pics for the gram and, the Brazilian wax places are closed. So this thing is truly a lifesaver. It has an adjustable comb with 4 settings for total customization of however you want to look. So do you, sis? Not to mention it's hypoallergenic, has moisturizing serum, and is dermatologist tested and helps replenish skin's natural moisture for up to 2 hours after shaving. I've talked about this razor in like a million videos because I literally love it. Like I cannot even tell you it's the best razor I've ever used. Truly, truly, truly. I'm like low-key having a love affair with it. Maybe I'm just lonely in quarantine, but seriously, it is great. So shout out to the Chic Hydra Silk Trim Style for sponsoring this video, and thank you for giving my legs and everywhere else the confidence to be plastered all over Instagram. And, have a wild dance party in my house. There's just so many options when you're inside all day. So once you're all smooth and fabulous, put on whatever shoes make you feel like you can walk on water. And, whatever little black dress makes you feel like you can date the entirety of One Direction. Yes, all of them. If you feel fire, you will act fire. Promise. Speaking of feeling good about yourself,
Tip dose, self-love. It's only half a heart, but you get the point.
this could honestly be an entire separate video all on its own, but learning to love yourself will help you immensely when looking to gain confidence. I know it's easier said than done, but after all, self-romance is the highest form of romance. Remember, a selfie a day keeps not only the hot doctors in your DMs, kidding, kinda, but it also keeps you reminding yourself that you are fabulous. Learn to appreciate yourself as art. Remember, you are art. And one day you will wake up wildly in love with who you are and who you're becoming. Remember, you're the stuff of fairy tales. There's no reason not to act like it.
Tip number 3, get some inspo.
Get some inspo. The internet is honestly full of things that, honest to God, changed my life. I'm not even kidding. This quote I read on Tumblr once made me a different person. So scroll through Pinterest for a while. Plenty of fabulous, inspiring things to keep you centered and keep you going. Find whatever it is that speaks to you. Save it. Keep it to read on a rainy day.
So beautiful. Create a strong mental image of who you are and who you want to be.
Then become her. Make a list of attributes you like and find some role models. Then start to act like them. Instead of what would Jesus do, think like, what would Carrie Bradshaw do? With a crisp image of who you are and who you want to be, acting like her will be a snap. A bend and snap? Sometimes.
Practice makes perfect.
Think about it. What area of life is it that you even want to be more confident in? Identify it and then set out to conquer it. Are you nervous about dating? Then practice. Cardboard cutouts make excellent dating partners. Fearful of public speaking? Try it in front of a fake crowd. Nothing quite like a puppy to boost your confidence. Remember, there's nothing you can't do if you tell yourself you can. By the way, practice makes perfect also includes self-improvement. Self-improvement is fun, so do a little DIY on yourself. Learn a few new words in a different language, or take an art class. Learning a new skill will help remind you that there are plenty of things that you can do that are absolutely awesome. Remember, you can always teach an old dog new tricks. And if you can teach yourself how to draw better than, well, a stick figure or that cow in my Draw My Life video that still haunts me in my sleep, then you most certainly can teach yourself how to be confident.
I don't actually even need glasses. These are hurting my nose. But anything for the aesthetic. Okay, continuing. Alrighty, this one's important. Remember, positive self-talk.
What you think, you believe. So make sure the voice in your head is telling you to believe in yourself. If the voice in your head is being mean, it's time to be mean right back and tell her to shut the hell up.
Melanie, zip it. Shh.
Would you ever talk to another person the way you talk to yourself? And if the answer is no, time to switch it up. Change the vocabulary from failure to fabulous. Why not think you can have the whole world? Always dream and think in the fantastical.
Always think of yourself as your own best friend.
Get to know yourself just like you would a friend. It's a lot easier to be confident when you feel proud of who you are. So make a list of tangible things you like about yourself. Even if it's just you like the color of your hair or that you have 10 toes. That's somewhere to start. Something I read on Tumblr once says, imagine if you loved yourself the same way you loved another person. Not caring about the flaws in the body or inside the mind, seeing the virtues even bigger, supporting, taking care. That would be a new level of self-esteem and another way to be indestructible. Ooh, that is so good. So think of yourself as your built-in wing woman. Anything at all, you got this, sis. You got this.
Talk the talk and walk the walk.
Now that you've got yourself as your own best friend cheering you on, act like it. Look people in the eye, have a firm handshake, and of course, practice good posture. Look up when you walk. Be bold and act bold. Accept compliments gracefully, and most importantly, learn to accept your own flaws. Being confident doesn't mean you're perfect. It means good and the bad, you're rocking all of it.
Next tip, find your voice.
Learn to speak up for yourself. I cannot emphasize how important this is, but truly. What is it that you want to say? You need the confidence to do what? What is it you believe? Whatever it is, don't be afraid to share.
I think ranch dressing is disgusting. Speak your truth.
Learning your principles will give you a direction and guiding purpose in your life and will help you in much more than just confidence. It will help you become exactly who it is you're meant to be. Stand up for what you believe in. And make sure one of those things is yourself.
A dump him.
Asking yourself if it sparks joy works with cleaning out your closet. But it also works for people too. For every person that doesn't believe in you, there are 10 that do. So find your source of light and happiness in others that also bring you up. Remember, empowered women empower women. Goes for men too. Keep your circle full of people who love you and you love. Confidence breeds confidence, so make sure you're hanging out with people who support you and make you feel like the confident queen you should be.
And last but not least, the most important tip of all, fake it till you make it.
Nothing will make you feel more confident than just simply believing that you are. If you wake up every day and tell yourself you're a confident queen, acting like it, strutting your stuff, guess what? One day it won't be an act. So strut your stuff, flip your hair, and remember that you are an absolute frickin' queen. You deserve to be confident. So tell yourself daily that you're a star, because even when you don't see it, you are. Shine brightly in confidence. Always.
And that, my friends, is how to be confident. Thanks for watching. Thanks again
To the Chic Hydra Silk Trim Style for sponsoring this video.
And I will see you guys very soon. All love, all confidence. XO. Burp, 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 burp. This is such a look. Ugh. Ugh. Absolutely no way to not be confident when you wear that. Vogue.